Audio CD 1, Track 21, Unit 1, Checking In. Lisa and her sister Mary have just come to Hawaii for a vacation. Wow, I've never stayed in a place this fancy before.
Welcome to the Hula Hula Hotel. How can I help you?
We'd like to check in. Our names are Lisa and Mary Lee. We have a reservation for a double room.
Let's see. Yes, we have a suite for you on the 3rd floor, room 321, for 5 nights.
Great! Oh, and my sister's luggage was lost. Please tell us if it's delivered to the hotel.
Of course. I'll need your passport, and please sign this guest card.
Okay, here you are. Oh, and what is the checkout time?
11 a.m. And if you need any assistance, please see our concierge or call the front desk. Here are your keys.